Hi, this video will show you how to find your Ubisoft activation code on Steam.
Hi, so here's how to find your Ubisoft activation code from your Steam. You should first open your Steam library and click right-click the Ubisoft game like Rainbow Six Siege or Assassin's Creed. After that is click Manage, then select CD keys, and Steam will show you your Ubisoft activation code if one is required. If the CD keys option isn't here or there, that usually means Steam has auto-activated the game with your linked Ubisoft account. To check is that you need to launch the game. Ubisoft Connect will open and auto-link the license if you're signed into the correct account. And if it's still not working, you should log into your Ubisoft Connect Games tab, and if the game isn't listed, you may be logged into the um, wrong Ubisoft account. And that's it. Now you know how to find or recover your Ubisoft code from your Steam, and yes.